Hello children, Sai Ram. Welcome to Social Studies online session, part 4, lesson number 14, Agriculture and Industries. So children, today we are going to continue with the lesson. Okay. So before moving ahead, let's quickly recall what we had learned in the previous class. The Green Revolution. The Green Revolution was launched in India in 1960. Under this, the government took several steps to increase agricultural output in India. Industry. Production of goods in factories. Different scales of industries. Industries in India are classified as cottage industries, small scale industries, and large scale industries. Cottage industries. Cottage industries employ very few people and they work with simple tools and they normally use locally available raw materials. Okay. Small scale industries use small machines and employ more people. So our next topic is, today we are going to learn about large scale industries. What are large scale industries? Yes, large scale industries are those which require huge capital investments, use bulky raw materials to produce large volumes of products. Okay, large scale. As the name suggests, everything needed in large scale industries is in bulk or large amount. All the different resources like workforce, capital, raw materials, infrastructure required for the setup and execution of large scale industry is enormous, big. Okay. Large scale industries usually installs the latest machineries which help in bulk production, and the product manufactured by big machines are of good quality and they are sold at cheap rates. Large scale industries comprises multiple heavy and light industries. The heavy industries like steel, textile and automobile manufacturing industries falls under this category, under the category of large scale industries. It is also observed that IT industry has boomed in recent years. Large scale industries. Large scale industries employ thousands of people, use large machines and produce goods in large quantities. Okay. Textiles, steel, automobiles and ships are manufactured in large scale industries. It is very expensive to build and start a large scale industry because it requires a huge capital. Okay, a huge amount of capital. So that is why it is very expensive to build and start a large scale industry. However, modern methods of production can be more easily used in large scale industries. Therefore, better goods can be produced more cheaply. That is why large scale industries are encouraged in India. That is why large scale industries are being encouraged in India. Some of the important large scale industries in India are as follows. Let's see one by one. Steel plants. Steel plants in Visakhapatnam, Bokaro, Rourkela, Jamshedpur, Durgapur, Bhilai, etc. Next is textile mills. Textile mills in Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Surat, Kanpur, Kolkata, etc. Heavy electrical goods. Heavy electrical goods in Bhopal, Ranchi, etc. Next, automobiles factories. Automobiles factories in Gurgaon, Pune, Chennai, etc. Shipbuilding. Shipbuilding in Visakhapatnam, Kochi and Mumbai. Aircraft manufacturing. Aircraft manufacturing in Bengaluru and Kanpur. Oil refineries. Oil refineries in Assam, Mathura, Gujarat, Bihar, etc. Children, there are many other industries. There are numerous other industries in India. Manufacturing, cement, paper, fertilizers, electronic goods, plastics, computers, etc. Okay, and in the past few years, telecom, computer software, and the business process outsourcing, that is BPO, these industries have grown tremendously. Okay. India is now regarded as a leader in making computer software. Okay, India is now regarded as a leader in making computer software. Bengaluru, Chennai and Hyderabad are major software producing centers. Is it clear, children? So children, with this, the chapter comes to an end. Okay. Now let's take a small recap. Let's take a recap of what we have learned so far. Okay. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people of our country. A wide variety of crops are grown in India. Rice is our most important crop. Industry converts raw materials into finished goods. Industries can be classified as cottage, small scale and large scale. Cottage and small scale industries are useful in creating employment opportunities in rural areas. Large scale industries can produce a large volume of goods cheaply. Okay. Now, words to remember. Children, you have to remember these words. Okay. Staple. The most commonly are regularly eaten food in a country or community. Oil seeds. Seeds rich in oil. Raw materials. Natural materials needed to make finished goods. Industry. Production of goods in factories. So children, with this, the chapter comes to an end. So please read the textbook and try to solve the objectives given in the textbook. Okay, I'll see you in the next class. Until then, bye.